Hi! In front of me is Lenovo IdeaPad Chromebook, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, open two apps that you wish to use in this view. In my case, Play Store and Settings. Then access background apps and hold one of them. Now you need to drag it to one of those areas, let go and click on the other one. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and go back to home screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!